So let's write a program for using vectors. So I define vector test, and accordingly, for every program there must be a definite end of the program test. We'll declare our variables by ourselves. Implicit none, and I say real x, and I would like to store, say, smaller set 5 values, and for y, I would say I will store 7 values. Some integers would be required. Integers, I, j. Maybe in the classical style, one variable was defined in one line. Therefore, the programs were larger. So after the declarations, you can use the data statement. So data, say x, and the values 5.0, 3.0, 7.0, -2, and -8. And similarly, data y equals 7, and that is 0. So 7 0 values will be stored, right? Okay. To be very sure that we have written these values correctly, just use the printing command print x, and print, that is x vector equals x, and print that is y equals y. So let's save this program, test. I have declared 2 vectors, and now I'm going to use them, and I'm just printing them to see whether this was a correct practice or not. So file should be saved as a Fortran free-form file. test.for. Okay. And to make this program function, we have to directly compile it. cd d77, in d77, and directly dir. So we have vtest.for somewhere at the end. CLS, so d77 vtest.for -o vtest.exe on Professor Walter Lubin's pendulum. Yes, compilation has been successful, but this is not the end of the story. We have to see results. So 7 0 and 5 real values, right? But this is not the way to proceed, since with the matrices, there will be problems. So here, let me do something like I count how many values are greater than 1, right? In x, how many values are greater than 1? Yes, so let's here 3 values are greater than 1. So I write here the counter integer I count. So I write I count equals 0, and then I write for is for Python, then do and I varies from 1 to 5. And now I say if x of I is greater than or equal to 1, then I count equal I count plus 1. And the not n, so it is n continue in the conventional style. And I will print asterisk I count equals I count. Right? We will compile and run it. So three values, as expected, three values are greater than 1. So this is the end of first demonstration.